The Stanley Quencher H2.0 Tumbler with handle and straw is a standout hydration companion designed to meet the needs of active lifestyles and those who value both performance and personalization. This 30-ounce insulated stainless steel cup features double-wall vacuum insulation that effectively keeps drinks cold or hot for extended periods, making it ideal for long days at work, travel, or outdoor activities. Users have reported that their cold drinks remain icy and refreshing well into the evening, while hot beverages like coffee stay warm and enjoyable for many hours. This level of temperature retention is a key strength of the Stanley Quencher, setting it apart from many other tumblers on the market. The tumbler's design is both practical and ergonomic. It features a flow-state 3-position lid with a rotating cover that offers versatility in drinking options. Whether you prefer sipping through the included reusable straw, drinking directly from the cup, or securing the lid fully to prevent leaks, the lid adapts to your preference. The seal around the straw opening is designed to resist splashes and hold the straw firmly in place, which users appreciate for on-the-go hydration without mess. Additionally, the handle offers a comfortable grip, making it easy to carry the tumbler during commutes, workouts, or outdoor adventures. The narrow base fits most car cup holders, a feature many users find convenient for travel. Constructed from 90% recycled BPA-free stainless steel, the Stanley Quencher is built with sustainability and durability in mind. The robust metal construction withstands drops and daily wear without damage, and many users have shared stories of their tumblers surviving accidental falls unscathed. The stainless steel surface also lends itself well to laser engraving, allowing for personalized designs, names, or logos. This customization option is a unique feature that appeals to individuals looking for a personal touch or businesses seeking branded promotional items. The engraving is precise, professional, and long-lasting, as the design is deeply etched into the metal. Cleaning the Stanley Quencher is straightforward, as both the tumbler and lid are dishwasher safe, though hand washing is recommended by some to preserve the color and finish. The wide mouth opening also facilitates easy cleaning and filling. Unlike plastic bottles that can retain odors and stains, this stainless steel tumbler remains pristine after washing. Users have noted that the handle may develop a slight musty look if washed in the dishwasher repeatedly, but this can be remedied with cleaning tools like a magic eraser. The tumbler's size is well suited for those aiming to increase their daily water intake, holding a substantial 30 ounces of liquid. This capacity encourages hydration throughout the day without frequent refills. However, the size and weight may be a consideration for those who prefer a more compact or lightweight bottle, as the Stanley Quencher is heavier than typical plastic bottles. The 30-ounce size strikes a balance between capacity and portability, but larger versions, such as the 40-ounce model, are heavier and might be less convenient to carry for extended periods. Performance-wise, the Stanley Quencher excels in maintaining drink temperature, leak resistance, and ease of use. The screw-on lid is preferred by many users over press-in lids for its secure fit. The tumbler's ability to keep ice intact for hours and coffee warm throughout the day has been praised repeatedly. The straw option adds versatility for cold drinks, while the full-cover lid position offers leak protection during transport. Aesthetically, the Stanley Quencher comes in vibrant colors like azure and yellow, which add a cheerful and modern touch to daily hydration routines. The glossy finish and solid pattern contribute to a sleek look that appeals to a wide range of users. Whether at the gym, office, or outdoors, the tumbler's design makes it a stylish accessory as well as a functional tool. In summary, the Stanley Quencher H2.0 Tumbler is a highly recommended product for anyone seeking a durable, insulated, and customizable water bottle. Its advanced lid design, excellent temperature retention, and sustainable stainless steel construction make it a top choice in the insulated tumbler category. The option to personalize with laser engraving adds unique value for gifts and branding. While it may be heavier than some alternatives, its performance and build quality justify the weight for most users. The Stanley Quencher is a reliable companion for hydration, combining practicality with style and personalization. If you own this tumbler, consider leaving a review to help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description to support the channel and provide easy access to this excellent hydration solution.